She is an interior designer, Melos. I've requested the Honorable Court to summon her GPay account.
Income of the husband itself is 7,000.
GPF for petitioner, Melos. Husband's petition challenging the order passed on IA2 for maintenance, Melos. Husband's case is he earns, Melos, 7,000 per month. The entire amount is ordered to be paid to the petitioner, respondent, as an interim.
3,500. 3,500 you will pay.
2,000.
How many, when is the petition filed?
Melos 2/11/23, Melos.
2/11?
23. She is an interior designer, Melos. I've requested the Honorable Court to summon her GPay account. because
She is the interior designer.
she is, Melos. The petitioner was also a software engineer earlier. He lost completely.
Any evidence,
During 2000.
any material is filed before the court?
No, Melos. No, both of them.
That is 23/11.
2/11/23, Melos.
2/11. Plus 7.
The 8 months.
The land council, the petitioner submits that the income of the husband itself is 7,000 and maintenance of 7,000 is granted. Wife is an interior designer and she has not disclosed all the details and the court had granted 7,000. Considering the submission, same. This 3,500
Melos,
by
2,000 Melos, at least 25,000 Melos for
2,000.
existence.
2,000 by 5th of every succeeding month, and for 10 months, 20,000, that it has to be deposited within 4 weeks. Same, the remaining and the earlier order, no? The wife is entitled to. Memo shall be filed and 27. Yes, next
Next 22. Next year.
next date would be August 27th. 27th. Huh? Memo should be filed, what is the other date? The 1st of August. Yes.